Alright, what else is in this box of crap? We got a bag of junk. Something light. I don't know. Something round. Something round and light. Don't know. It doesn't have the tit on the side for like a lifter block, so I don't know what it is. It's one of those. Oh, it is lifter blocks. Okay. Evo lifter blocks. These are 80s. Because 90s, they don't have them. These are 4-speed lifter blocks. 4-speed Evo. Oh, these are marked. They're all different. So that's an RI. That'd be a rear intake. This is an FI. It'd be a front intake. So that goes like that on your motor. Rear intake, front intake. And this is a rear exhaust because RE. That means this should be an FE. FE at Ford, 390. There you go. And they go in pairs, look at that. In case they weren't marked, you would know the difference because that's how the bolts go together. Alright, so there's a full set of those. They look pretty nice condition too. Put your finger in there, see if you feel any wear marks. If it feels good and round, like this one does, and there's no weird marks in there, that's a good block. These are not available. The aftermarket does not make them, except for S&S. And they probably still don't make them decent for using for race bikes. I don't think they have them anymore. So they're probably obsolete from them, and that was the last person that made them with S&S. So there you go. Very sure those are obsolete parts. That's like a nice, good cherry set of low mileage ones. Alright, those are nice. Full set. Everyone's different, so don't mix them up. And look for a set, make sure they're all different. Alright, that's good.